Welcome to the UniFi Talk Quick Start Guide presented by Voxtelesys. In this video, we'll demonstrate how to connect the Zoiper softphone to UniFi Talk. Open the Zoiper softphone application. In our example, we'll enter the extension number followed by an @ symbol. Then we'll enter the IP address of the UniFi Dream Machine Pro. This user's extension number and IP address can be found under UniFi Talk. Log into the UniFi portal and click on the Dream Machine Pro, then click on Talk. You can find the extension number by clicking on Users and Groups. You can then click on the user to find the extension number. To find the UDM's IP address, navigate back to the Dream Machine Pro. Your UDM's IP address can be found under the General settings. Next, we'll use the terminal to find the password we'll use for the Zoiper softphone. Open the terminal CLI. Enter SSH root @ followed by your UDM's IP address. Enter the password, which is the SSH password configured in the UDM. To find out how to set up SSH, check out our UniFi Talk SSH troubleshooting video. The link will be in the description. Enter the UniFi-OS shell command. Enter the following command to find the password: fs_CLI-X. Then, in quotations, enter user_data 2048 @ talk.com param password. Navigate back to the Zoiper softphone and enter the password you found in the terminal. Click on Login. The IP address will be auto-filled in the hostname field. Click on Next. Select SIP UDP. Click on Create Account. Congratulations! You've successfully set up the Zoiper softphone to use UniFi Talk. Check back for more helpful guides as we're continually adding new content.